What's up? How you guys doing? What the heck? So my mouse all kind of jacked up, guys. My bad. We'll see how it goes. I can't be as animated. See right here? See that? 5 people on the chat. See that? Right here? It used to be like this. And it's on good behavior now. But I can't be yelling too much, guys. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? I can't smile too much either. My bad. Mac. Row. Trends. I put you guys on game. What's up? I'm gonna smoke real quick and I'll be with you. Hey, anytime, man. It's always good to chief a little bit. Yeah, my mouth's all messed up, guys. My bad. I had like gum surgery, guys. Don't ever get if you need to get it. That shit. It's nasty. My lip is sewn to my mouth, man. I walk around like this. I was trying to eat stuff. It's nasty. Crazy. That's why I'm a little slower on the videos, you know? Because like I need to talk. I talk and I yell and I piss my neighbors off. And now I'm looking at crypto and it's going down. I'm like, God dang. My bags are bleeding. My mouth's bleeding. What am I to do? But I see you guys, you know, some of you guys know what's up. Some of you guys don't. Let's talk about it. Here I am. Let's do it. Hello, how's it going? What's up, man? How's it been? I couldn't jump on. Sorry about not doing the call yesterday. It was just like my mouth was just not having it. Gang, gang, gang. What's good? What's up? What's up? How you guys been? Been a minute. Crypto drop right on your face. Yep, right on my face. Broke my face, guys. 17 people. What's up? Let's talk about it. I don't know how long I'll be on here, guys, because like no lie, my mouth is partly sewn shut. But look, we all knew this was gonna happen, right? You guys knew it was gonna go up, like down. Crypto ran up a whole mess. Now it's coming down. Tell me something I don't know. You guys thought this was gonna happen, right? I don't got moon boys following me. I piss all the moon boys off. I know they ain't following me. Hard up, hard down. It's just that the hard downs suck more than the ups, you know, so you notice some more. But that's all it is. You know, Bitcoin's still sitting at what, 43,000? We're gonna look at the prices a little bit. But I just want to come on up here. See how you guys are doing. You guys good? Stoflo just smoked. Some people shaking in their boots for real. They're shaking, but it's okay, man. It's scary stuff. I'm not gonna lie and sit here like, you know, I'm Mr. Jesus. I don't, guys. It's scary. Let's be real. You put your hard-earned money in, you sweat day in day out, blood, sweat, and tears, and your little paycheck. You know, some of you got a big paycheck, but some of us start with the small paycheck. You know, it's all good. They're scared. It's part of the game. But the future belongs to the bold. Wise man told me that. Welcome back. You're the only homie I want to hear from. Thanks, man. Can't notice I'm still not 100%, you know, so I've been taking it a little easy on the vids. You know, people want to see me acting crazy and stuff. I can only go like 60% crazy right now. Hope you're feeling better, big homie. Peroxide. Actually, I'm not supposed to put nothing on it for like 2 weeks. It's gross. You know? But then, like, I don't want to touch it either because that's gross. I don't even want to look at it. That's gross. The doctor was like, hey, you want to see it before you leave? It's like, no. Get the hell out of here, man. You done enough. You done enough. He's good, though. He's good. You know, a good dentist is a good dentist. But he's also, like, sucks because he's, you know, ow. Ow. I can't be doing all that. Can't be doing all that. We're going to talk about the macro environment today. I'm not going to take too many coin like suggestions because, you know, everything's freaking down. What else you need my opinion for? It's fucking down. Ow. This isn't going very well, guys. Okay. R, what's up, Irrelevant? How you been? Picked up more HBAR like it was nothing. Yeah, and I saw you, maybe not you, but I know some people have been trying to pick up HBAR. It's like in the high 20s now. If this thing gets really crazy, then it's gonna bring down some like good projects like HBAR. But some projects don't give a damn. Like, what was it? Matic was going nuts still. I was sitting there high out of my face, man, after my surgery, looking, oh, Matic. I waked from my slumber. Started singing. Golden Pipes. What's up, guys? Wonder how many people got liquidated this weekend. Woof. Guys, like, let's be real. 27 people in the chat. That's cool. Welcome, welcome. We're just bullshitting. We're gonna talk about what's going on, but we're just bullshitting. Yeah, guys. Like, look, like, I'm not gonna sit here and tell you guys you don't gotta margin trade. But if you're in crypto, why are you margin trading? Because like you can make like a 10x, 100x on spot. You know, when you start margin trading, like you're introducing risk to your capital that you already have. And that's the most important thing in the investor's, I guess you would say, life, is the capital you use, because you can't catch fish without a net, right? I'm being a little preachy, but like, let's be real. If you buy in the right spots on spot trading, you can make a lot of money, you know? But hey, I'm just a dude on the internet with a fat lip. HBAR giving us golden opportunity holding and stacking more. Good, man. You know, I just would say this though, guys, like don't over leverage yourself. Not over leverage, but don't put more in just because it's low. Because like, yeah, it's low, but it could stay low for a longer time than we want. And like, I know that. I got wrecked in a half. I tried to catch the falling knife off the bear market last cycle. Oh, Litecoin, $100, good deal. Psh, that thing dropped down to $20 and it stayed down. And I freaking cried every single night. You know what I'm saying? So like, have some money. If you have spare money, cool. But only put a portion of that money in, because it could come back and rebound real quick, or it couldn't. What happens if it doesn't? Like being a well-rounded investor, you think of those things. You don't just think of the best scenario to play out. You also think of the second best and the worst and the second worst. Like you just kind of like think about it in your head and be aware, because you know things don't happen as planned. Hey, you could be getting a good deal in 3 months. You know what I'm saying? Like, just be careful. Glad I found you today, Dub. Hey, dope, man. That's tight. I always like new people in the wolf pack. Let's see. We're gonna look at some charts real quick. I'm just saying what's up. Hard time right now, but we all know the risk. No easy money here. Psh, see, that's the thing, bro. Like, it ain't easy money, man. Like, people come up in here thinking that this is cakewalk, that anyone can get rich and make money and keep. Nah, man. There's a reason like investors call themselves wolves, because they're the hungriest. They go out, like they stay at it the longest. The price you pay isn't physical in investing, it's all mental. And that's why a lot of people don't make money in investing. They can't handle it. Let's be straight up. They can't handle it, man. Look at a monthly chart compared to 2017. Well, I'm going to look at the Bitcoin monthly chart because everything follows Bitcoin. TLO's actually moving up. See, like, and that's the thing. If this was a straight bear market, guys, nothing's going up. Everything's going down. The very fact that there's green on CoinMarketCap is suspicious. You know, let's look at it real quick. I'm not even sharing my screen. What the hell, DubDigital? I can't yell today, guys. I can't make all these weird faces either, because my face is sewn shut on the inside. And it's really freaking gross. All right, CoinMarketCap, you all know what it is. 24 hours. Bang, there's a whole bunch of green on this shit, man. Look at this. Oh, Kusama doesn't give a damn. What's Kusama doing? Kusama doesn't care, guys. Kusama's lifting up to the heavens. Bitcoin dumping? So the hell what? See, look. If you guys haven't been around a cycle or haven't seen a whole cycle through, bear market comes, everything's down. Everything's down. Don't look like this. Synthetics, Solana, Theta. What? Theta's all-time high was what? What was it? What it hit? I don't even know. I mean, XRP is still doing its thing. It's going counter the trend. Like, why so many coins in such green? I don't know. What do you guys think? Matic, $1.66. Holy smokes. And then it gets ugly, right? There's bad with the good, good with the bad. Let's look at the bad. Harmony 1, down 13%. Internet Computer, damn. That thing went to $700 and it dropped on Coinbase. Dash, just, you know, guys looking for something to buy. Not financial advice, but Dash, man. I about bet Dash like at like $90. Rose up to 400, but like I'm holding on, man, because all-time high is 1.4K. Ow. Because when I move my face like that, it hurts. And then Bitcoin. Stupid ass Bitcoin. Look at this thing. It's not stupid. But you guys know what I mean. I'm venting right now. Where's a chart? Okay, well, you know, that looks bad. I can't smile too much. But okay, we're gonna look into the trade and stuff. We're gonna do all that filth farm filth. But like, you guys catch my drift, right? Don't get overly bullish. Don't get overly bearish. The truth always lies somewhere in the middle, right? So if you ever hear people saying Moonboy Lambo time is going to $1 million, $5 million, $100,000 XRP, that person has clouded judgment. That person isn't allowing for the unideal situation to play out. Same with people saying crypto's dead. This is the end of the bull run. Everything's going to zero. I think those people are clouded in their judgment as well. You know what I mean? Because look at CoinMarketCap. Tell me why there's so many coins popping off right now. Counter to Bitcoin, which is very interesting. That's not something we really seen in other, so prevalent in other cycles. Maybe up marginally, but not 20%. That's crazy. What's up, guys? 36 people. This ain't vodka. No, this ain't vodka. I got a rip in my mouth. What's good? Hold up. Yo, how you feeling about Barnbridge? Did you ever check them out? Tokenized risk mitigation with different tranches. I didn't, Chris. I was high as a kite, Chris. Get all stitched up. Doc ripping out my gums and stuff. What the? That was nasty. It felt weird. I'm traumatized, guys. I'm like flinching and stuff. What the? Is that a dentist? Just kidding. I can't smile too big. I keep forgetting. I did it, man. Barnbridge, I didn't look at him yet. I would have. Didn't have the Sunday because, you know, I couldn't really talk. My shit was out of here, man. I was like, how am I going to do this? So I didn't do it. My bad. I'm trying, Chris. Chris, why are you dogging me, man? Just kidding, Chris. I love you. Lost. Damn. 1,700 XRP leverage trading today. See, guys, look. Rule number 1 of making money is making money. I don't care what anyone has to tell you. It ain't freaking rocket science. You don't got to have a 4-year degree to figure this one out, guys. Making money. Number 1, keeping the money. Leverage trading, it introduces an element that's not with stock investing. I mean, spot investing, right? If you buy a position, EOS $3, it could drop down to $1, but you can't lose it all. You can't get liquidated unless you sell. Leverage trading introduces that thing. If you get this, you know, set your stops wrong or whatever, you get liquidated. See ya, sucker. So we all been there, done that. Just know that we can make a lot of money with crypto because it goes up a lot without risking all our capital all the time. What do you guys think? Am I tripping? I don't know. I don't know, guys. Crypto's bleeding. It's bleeding hard. But hopefully you guys took some profits along the way, right? And I don't know if you guys knew, but I said get Blockfolio or Delta or some kind of portfolio tracker to help manage your trades. A lot of the reason you guys think crypto's so hard to navigate is because you don't know your ROI. Now, how are you going to be an investor and not know your ROI? Let's talk about it. How are you going to know that? How are you going to do that? That's right. No serious investor doesn't know their ROI on each and every one of their positions. You should too. Blockfolio, input your trades, what you bought it at, so you could do it at a quick glance to remove all the confusion. And that causes all that stuff in your mind. Like, should I sell? What should I do? I don't know. Oh, it can go up to this number. It's like, it doesn't matter what number it goes up to. It matters how many times you multiplied your capital. Make sure to do it, guys. It helps out. And when you hit your ROI, I guess goals, you sell it all the way up. So when this thing's coming down on you, it doesn't hurt that bad. It hurts a lot when it goes up a lot, and then you don't cash out and it comes down a lot. That's what it hurts. So capture that along the way. It takes the stress out, Shit, I didn't take some out before because I had to pay for this damn surgery. Let's see. SHIBA, it's a guess. LOL, Doge paid. Hold up. I just want to see SHIBA. I am very interested. That SHIBA shit, man. Look at that. Oh my god. What is it down? Just has like 24 hour. This thing will hopefully this thing holds, man. You see some volume coming in right here, but damn, this is 50% at least. I told you guys, the only time I'll get in SHIBA is if it came back down to get me. It might. Hopefully BTC's done bouncing, but it might. And by the way, that brings up a good point. Let's look at BTC real quick. That's what everyone came here for, right? I know how you guys think. You guys are all business. All right, let's see. Okay. So guys, look, I'm going to do it again. I do this all the time. You guys are probably tired of me doing this. Went up 25% from its all-time high set in 2017. 225% went up. Now, where we are currently, it's come down about 34%. So effectively, we're still up about 190% on the year, about, right? On the year-ish, because this is the year. But you know what I'm saying? It went up more than it went down. It can still go down a lot, but typically in a bull trend, crypto goes down less than it goes up. In the bear trend, it goes up less than it goes down, right? This whole bear trend last time was a year. This whole blow off top time or whatever was a year. So why would we end only what the hell is that? Like 4 months into the supposedly blow off top year. Well, DubDigital, that's like the past. You can't use the past to analyze the future, blah, blah, blah. Yes, you can, guys. That's the whole point of charting. What are you talking about? The whole point of charting is to see how assets perform over time, how markets move over time. You can analyze that pattern and extrapolate to help get a more accurate depiction of the future. So anyone who says you can't use the past to help dictate what the future holds, maybe not to an exact T, but I'm sorry, there's a whole profession of chartists out there who disagree with you. So look, I know that and I say I know as in like, whatever. You guys don't have to listen to me. I don't give a damn. It's the wolf pack out here, guys. Look, 1 year up, 1 year down, 1 year like, I don't know, just chilling, accumulating. Then the process repeats. That's why people say 4-year cycles. They look at the chart of Bitcoin and truncate it. I guess I should write I'll do that next time. I'll write the phases of the market cycle to date. Now, if this is the anomaly and this time is different, okay, well, where have I heard that before? Only every single cycle I've ever been aware of. But if this time is truly different, please explain to me why this blow off top that had lasted about a year for every other cycle is just 4 months for this one. Write in the chat. I want to know. I'm gonna come down. Okay, I'm not seeing nothing. See, guys, people say a whole bunch of stuff about why this part's different. This is different. I have never yet had someone come up here and explain to me why crypto and Bitcoin have repeated in very cyclical cycles up until now. As far as I know, this is just another correction, and Bitcoin has been full of corrections even in bull cycles, right? Now, even if, and look, I had like thrown out like an idea before, this first like head fake, and it came back in and climbed. I thought it was just invalidated, but we essentially are reaching down to the level I had thought we may, or make sense, thought we might, right? So look, sometimes things happen right when you draw it out. Sometimes it's delayed and it goes down, but it's almost at the exact point at the exact time. Okay? We got to live with that. But why did I draw it coming right down here in this green box? Because this is where we start like running into some potential support. How do I know that? Because the chart says so, like right about here. So we should get some chop. I don't expect a big old drop down. Like we got to work through it. It's all organic charting, right? So we'll see. Hopefully you bounce up off here. That'd be good for me and my bags, but I'm real up on here. Anyone here has a institutional money is different. Not sure what that means, but different. Yeah, it's different, but also understand, guys, it's definitely more. Now, I don't know, right? So I don't know how long you guys have been involved in crypto, so I talk in broad strokes to capture most of the folks. But institutional money has never been in this space before. It used to be just me and all the other crypto nerds sitting in their closet trading crypto. Now we got institutional money, we got sovereign countries, we got central banks. Like, how much more money do you guys got to see? Why are they here if this asset's going to die? Why? Do you think these people just are in the business of losing money? No. These are very smart people, guys. These are finance people. They're about money. They don't do nothing if they can't make money. So they showed up. They're all involved. Tesla did a head fake. Hey, Elon's a troll. I have a whole live stream talking about it. But notice something, guys. Like, these are banks and countries buying Bitcoin. This was laughable like a cycle ago. People laughed at me, straight laughed at me, man. Saying, bro, you know what you're talking about. Well, guess what? They're finally here and no one cares. I don't think this is the bottom, guys. But we know one thing. Crypto goes up higher than it typically does. No, crypto goes up higher than the previous cycle. There hasn't been a cycle where that hasn't happened. Now, if Bitcoin ran up, let me go back to the Bitcoin chart. Well, DubDigital, yeah, Bitcoin is up higher than it's ever been. That's true. But the last cycle from 2013 to 16 or 17, those two cycles combined, the all-time high in the 2013 whatever cycle was $1,000 for a BTC. 2017 comes around, $20,000 a BTC. That's a 20x. Okay, so $20,000 to $65,000. That's only about a 3x. Okay, that seems like a very, very diminished return. In fact, that kind of tells me that the return probably isn't over. I would be looking more to like a 10x, even if you halved that return it got from the previous cycles combined. You know what I'm saying? So, like, let's be real. Can you guys see the previous cycles from the others? Can you see like the other tops from the previous cycles here? No. We can see it very well here. That doesn't, this being the ultimate top does not like signify to me like the exponential nature of crypto. Nah. I know it's scary though. I know how you guys feel. I know how it is. But you know what I'm saying? All right, let me go back. Oh man. Crypto Secret Circle in the house? What's up, man? How you been? If you guys don't know Crypto Secret Circle, he put me on a Matic, and Matic's blowing up. Hard. Man. I picked up a bag 2020. I was watching his channel. And I have a couple, me and him get together. We talk about crypto and the market space, like, every so often. So welcome, man. Got surgery. I can't give you the proper, fanfare and procession, but make sure to check his channel out. All right. Hold up. I gotta get back to where I was at. We're gonna look at some more charts. I can't give you everything all up front, guys. I gotta milk it. I gotta milk the moment. Let's see. What does diversification look like to you in the space? Geographical diversification. I mean, so if you watched my Crypto Cito interview I did with him, it's on my channel. Go check it out. We talk about that. Like a lot of people like to do large cap, mid cap, small cap kind of diversification, like traditional equity diversification. You can do it, right? And it makes sense to do so because crypto tends to like trickle down in some sort of a hierarchy, right? But then like I like to do geographical diversification, meaning different projects in different geographical areas like India, Africa, Russia, like Korea, all over there. Because the thought process is the countries which those projects are hosted will get the most, I guess you would say, attention. The project will get the most attention from those countries, right? Especially like some projects like ICX over in South Korea, where they actually worked in the South Korean government on like some smart contract stuff. So, but other than that, there's different ways, man. I like to do geographic, size of the project. And then also like I also have like a different tier for like the grayscale coins too. That's like more legitimized in my mind, right? So like those are my grayscale bag. To me, that's more safe money. Because there's like already a pipeline built on that stuff. 49 people will sub my bad. My mouth's all jacked up. So I can't be yelling and I can't be doing stuff too wild, man. Did you ever learn about early bird farming rewards this Friday? Hedge against renewable energy FUD. No, I didn't, man. I've been laid up. I'm out. But check it out, guys. I know we looked at SUSU on Energy Web Token, right? That's a token based on there. Sounds like there's farming opportunities, so go check that out. I love farming, guys. That's another way to make money when the market's going down. Like being an investor in crypto, the beautiful thing is there's ways you can switch it up to make money no matter what direction the market goes without leverage, right? Like another one is liquidity mining. All you guys know I like liquidity mining. And we got to talk about that FNX hack. Guys hear about that? The DApp on WAN chain that got hacked. WAN chain's not hacked. WAN swap's not hacked, but FNX got hacked. That chart looks nasty. But other than that, there's ways to make money through liquidity mining, passive income, where the amount of tokens go up, even if the price is going down. That's smart to do. It's not all capital gains out here. In fact, sometimes you got to switch it up. You got to be adaptable. Got to be like Bruce Lee said, be water, my friends. Sub Dub, very happy to hear you babble on whilst I settle in for the night. I babble, man. I babble hard. I could babble with the best of them. In the UK. How's it over there, man? I ain't never been in the UK. I haven't been anywhere. No, I've been some places. I gotta get out to Australia. I gotta get out to UK. I gotta get out to Thailand. Man. Sleeping on the couch got old 4 days ago. At least I got some super sugar cage to puff on. Matt, you on the couch? Matt, you on the couch, bro? Oh my God. Your neck's all kinked up, huh? Huh, Matt? It's all good though. At least sometimes, at night, there's, you're reaching the crease. There's a chip you can snack on. But puff it up, man. And don't even share with her. Don't share with her. Nah. She gonna put you on the couch? Nah. Crypto Secret Circle. What's up, man? What's up? We gotta have another conversation soon. That was fun. I think people learn a lot. Ragnarok, check it out. I will, man. But I'm not gonna do too many charts today. We're gonna talk about some some people be hurting. Their mental's hurting. Our bags are bleeding. You know what I'm saying? Unless you're trying to put us on game. You trying to put us on game? Is it tanking? I like it. I like it when things tank. Hold on. Is this Pancake Swap? Oh, it's on that one exchange that Ikami was on. Okay, so guys, this thing looks like crap and a half, but it's good sometimes when things look like crap and a half. So this thing's on the bottom. It's chaotic as hell, but it seems to be lifting up a little bit, and you can see it by the biggest volume candle in its history that took place about February 18th. Interesting. What the hell is this? It's like way less than a cent. I like that. I like things that are cheap. They generate RAGNA through the process of mining. Has a current supply of, what's the supply? What the hell is this? 100 million? Huh. And there's 18 million in circulation right now. What the hell is this thing? I need the website. I don't know. Hold up. Stay tuned, guys. 49 people, what's up? But I'm not going to do a whole lot of these, guys. Not a whole lot. I can't be talking that long, man. My mouth is like freaking holding up like barely. Our currency is POS, Masternode cryptocurrency developed with proof of stake, and main focus is to provide a secure mode of crypto experience. Huh. So it's a Masternode? How much you need? Okay. Getting kind of bored. Roadmap, social media marketing, white paper update, more exchanges and pair listings. That's good. I don't know. Who's the partners? I don't know these partners, but doesn't mean it's not interesting. It is interesting. In fact, guys, I like masternodes. Another way to profit during a downturn. Liquidity mining, staking, masternodes, all of that stuff. So it seems like a pretty young crypto, at least from what I could tell. Well, when was this? No, not really. Damn. This thing dropped in the bear market. Okay. Dropped in the bear market. Interesting. Everything goes down in the bear market. So this thing's not super new, and it's starting to round up a little bit. If you guys could barely tell that. Risky, but might be a great opportunity because it's a masternode crypto. But I don't know too much about it. But, it's never financial advice. Y'all are adults. Check it out. Okay. You got me, man. You got me. But it's all good. Chris says, animal. Ow. No smiling, Dub. I'm deep in Kusama. Man, right? KSM's Kusama, right? Hold up. Am I sound stupid? I got a crypto channel. I gotta know these tickers. Yeah, it's Kusama. Yeah, Kusama, man. Holy smokes, that thing blew up, man. I remember that being like $8. I feel like a dumbass for not buying it back. Okay. The bull is still running. He is fierce. Red in sight. He's fierce, man. He's fierce. He's fierce, but sometimes he gets tired. Gotta sit down. Stretch the bull legs. What's up, man? Looking good, bro. Thanks, dude. See, like, it's a little bit now, but it used to be ridiculous. It used to hurt to talk, too. Bro, is EGB gonna hold 10 cents? I don't know. Hold up. I'm gonna come back to you real quick, though. I want to show you guys something. FNX got hacked on a WAN swap. It's a dab on WAN swap. I mean, a WAN chain, my bad. Wow. Look at that sucker, man. I bought some. but don't do it. Okay, you can't. I'm not gonna tell you what to do. Not financial advice. But their Telegram was saying, hey, hold up. They might do some kind of like rollback or something. So I sold it back. I don't know, guys. They might do a rollback. So therefore, like the coin, I think, becomes irrelevant, right? We'll see what they do. But this is a drop and a half. Like, damn. You can be in like the 1 million club, like a million people in the world can only have a certain portion of a coin for $10. $10. I don't know. I might put $10 in. I went ham and I went unham, and I might just put a little bit in. But interesting stuff. As far as I know, they got in control. They fixed the smart contract, but the market's reacting, going crazy. Going crazy. What was the other one? DGB. You can look at it. I got some DGB people. You know what? I got Script here. That's the DGB master. What's up, Script? How you been, man? Long time no talk. Probably not. It'll probably hit like 8. Depending how crazy it gets. I doubt it'll like pass right here. But probably not 8. It'll probably hit 8. Right? This thing's in fresh drop mode. Yeah. It's coming down. Volume staying the same. Unless there's a big uptick of volume coming through. Hey. But you know what, guys? Like Digibyte, that's cool. That's one that I wouldn't mind loading them more up on. Just because I think Digibyte's at a critical point in its history, man. Like it's been around 7 years. That's a long time. That's almost like as long as Bitcoin's been around. You know, so that means the supply is getting pretty thin out there. It's getting distributed a lot around. The network's growing. There's already a pretty diehard network out there already. So Digibyte, hey, it's holding up pretty well. I can't even complain. You're seeing coins drop 85% right now. Notice the ones that aren't dropping 85%. Notice the ones that are barely dropping. That means they're being met with like buyers. Hand over fist, just take my money. Take my money. Yo, Dub, so great to see you. Thanks, man. Thanks, man. I know we didn't have the Sunday. I couldn't talk yesterday, to be honest. Big facts, homie. Rari speaks to what you talking on projects still popping during the BTC slap times. Yeah, I mean, you're gonna have high performers, and we just looked at Coin Market Cap. There was a whole bunch of them still popping up, like 20% up. That doesn't sound like bear market to me. Still seems like people are still sitting in crypto. I like it. DubDigital sold all his XRP. No, I didn't. Unless you know something I don't. I still got my XRP, man. I got 7K from Doge. Hey, that's dope. That's dope. What Doge doing? What the hell is its ticker? Is it just Doge? Yeah. Damn, it's still going up? No? Okay, so guys, look. Doge has a lot of not smart money in it, okay? They're new investors. They just follow momentum, thinking the thing going up is the best investment because it's going up, not thinking that it won't go up forever, right? So this is a good example to watch the psychology of a crash, okay? This thing hit almost 70 cents, came down. Then see this bump right here? That's what we call a dead cat bounce, okay? This thing's probably going to drop more because look at the volume. It's trending down. I don't see a nice like rounding up to meet this falling price, pushing it higher, right? So if this volume's going down, this price is going down. People try to buy the dip once. Hopefully it holds. But that's what I'm saying, guys. Like, it's not like there's a bunch of sophisticated investors in here. So if it gets really hairy, this thing might crash down with the vengeance. But who knows? There's also some really rich people in Doge. So we'll have to see how it plays out. I'm hoping the best, but expect the worst. Expect the worst. Let's see. I've lost money from leverage trading twice now. Fool me once, fool me twice. Shake my head. Playing things smarter now. Yeah, guys, it's not all making money. Keeping money, not losing the money. You know, like it takes a couple times around the block to know that risk exists. Hey, you go to any like hedge fund, bank, like investment bank, they're going to be talking risk exposure. We have, well, not we, but like even in like supply chain and like corporate world, we would have like on like every week, we would go through pros and cons and we'd have a chart that displays risk. I might even do that for this channel just to show you guys like how like some executives want to see how risk is like illustrated graphically. Could talk about it like risk when you get higher and higher in the I guess the white collar world, they start managing. You got to manage your risk, manage my risk, because yeah, it doesn't take a genius to go, okay, if I put this much in, it goes up, like that's good for me. But it takes a pro to know that, okay, but what if this this coin collapses? What happens if the money I put in it goes away? What happens if it goes less optimal than I planned on initially? See, so like, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you give up a little gains for a little security. Feeling the pressure to sell. So SD Leon, why though? Did you put too much in? You might have put too much in. You know, like, if you guys are into crypto, it feels great going up. It feels easy. You say, okay, I got to put more in. I got to put more in. I'm trying to get out of my desk job. I got to put more in. Then it comes down. Did you put too much in? Because if you didn't put too much in, it's not that hard to hold. You know, and what is too much? It all depends on everyone, right? Like, I can't give you a easy like rule or like a measuring stick on that. Whatever is too much for you means, like, can you cover your rent? Can you cover your expenses? Are you suffering any meaningful monetary way? If you are, then hey, you'd probably put too much in. If you're not, you're chilling. You know, it's okay though. We're going to get through this. We're going to get over this. And then after this, you guys are going to be better knowing the mistakes you did up front. As long as you improve every single time, that's how you learn. No one comes in and investing knowing every damn thing. Even though they love to portray that, that's not the truth. Most people who are good at investing took their lumps every single step of the way. Don't give up. Learn how to get better. Don't give up. XRP to BTC weekly. Twice baked. How you feeling over there, man? Feeling a little baked? 50 people, what's up? I can't be yelling today, guys. Listen up. Elon is straight punk. He's burning all of the investors. He drank the red Kool-Aid, lying like it don't matter. Listen up. It sounds like you used to like Elon, but you're realizing he's just a sellout. He's a freaking sellout, man. He's a shill. Duh. You know, like, look, bro, like, why do you think these people come out at certain times saying certain things about crypto? And why do you think the people who brought down crypto last bull market was like India and China at the same time, coming out with a public announcement at the same time? But those are different governments. Sounds like it was almost coordinated. Would that be crazy, guys? Would it be crazy? I don't think so. So, like, when you look at these public figureheads coming out saying what they say at the certain time they say it, always be skeptical and be like, what's that about? Does Elon want to stuff his bag? Does Elon want to push up the price of his investment? Because I guarantee you what, I bet you Elon sold some Bitcoin off before he dumped it. And because this is a largely unregulated market, I bet you nothing happens to him. But now you guys see, not everyone's in love with the crypto cause. Some people are just here to make some fucking money. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, there ain't no rules to this. All's fair in love and war. We could just get a little more smarter the next time. And Elon's not looking out for us. He's not going to save the human race. He's not going to, I don't know. Well, y'all can go to Mars. I ain't going to Mars. Pull up the chart. What, XRP? Okay. Okay, bro. We could look at it. XRP. But I'm just doing this. Twice baked. He's a man after my heart, my own heart, you know? It's all baked. So it's not against BTC, man. But, you know, the USD is looking hot too. You got to recognize, though, that, guys, make sure to go around CoinMarketCap and look at what's uncorrelated to Bitcoin. There's always a space in a portfolio for uncorrelated assets. Why? Because it's always good to have something popping off so you can rotate profits. XRP has always been one of those contrarian coins, man. Popping off when Bitcoin's going down. Now we see that with HBAR. Now we're seeing that with, well, a few others, right? Not Doge, but Doge, you know, I don't know if that was true. I think that was just hype, you know? But like XRP, we start seeing a rounding. It's not completely rounded, but we're seeing a bowl shape occurring on this volume. I got a feeling XRP is going to do something crazy. Why do I feel that? Because XRP always does something crazy. It's always doing weird stuff. Staying down for a long time, going up a lot, coming down. Hey, twice big. I'm not going to go in the trading view, man. But like XRP, it's been up here for the longest damn time. It's showing freaking strength. We all know XRP don't belong under its all-time high. I mean, do you guys think that? I don't think that. I don't think almost every major coin belongs under its all-time high. I don't think Bitcoin Cash belongs under its all-time high. I don't think EOS belongs under its all-time high. This is all should just be just to convince you that the bull run's not over. How are you going to have Bitcoin Cash under its all-time high from last cycle and the bull run ends? Grayscale has a whole bunch of trust for these coins. Now, would Grayscale be in the business of making their very, very, very rich clients lose money? No, because that would be a suicide job. Let's see. Bitcoin is bigger than Elon. Yeah. See, like, guys, you guys are new. Crypto existed before all these shills. Crypto existed before all the money. You used to make no money on Bitcoin back in the day. It was laughable. People like, you got that Bitcoin? Dumbass. Guys, like, all this don't matter. And that's why a lot of crypto OGs and whales, we just shake it off, man, because it's like, I ain't saying I'm a whale, but like, I've been around a while, you know? And I'm just saying, like, that's why these people just shake it off, because it never mattered to them. People coming in, you're getting it twisted now. It's not what Elon says, Novogratz says. It's not what JP Morgan says. In fact, Bitcoin was made to destroy those banks. Bitcoin was made to distribute that wealth. Bitcoin ain't here because Elon put it on Earth. No, that's some bull. What's your thoughts on Pulse Chain? It could be worth a gamble based on the hex returns, 12,000% in 1.5 years. I'm not a fan of the project, but Hex and HR community is like a cult, so they will pump it hard. I don't got a problem with. Oh, God damn. Okay, I gotta calm down. I don't got a problem with it, but the problem I do have, what you said, is 1.5 years. I would not stick my money in anything for 1.5 years, like liquidity mining. You know what I'm saying? I would try to line it up with the end of the 4-year cycle if you believe in that type of thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's a long time. I'm looking like months. Like, what can I do getting it out months? Because like you said, if there's not strong fundamentals, what do you think comes next? We just saw a freaking project tank today. It's dead on arrival. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I got to say about it. 52 people, what's up? Digibyte action. DGB. Yeah, guys, like, hey, look, Digibyte's looking strong. Yeah, it's falling, but everything's falling. Digibyte got up to this all-time high with quickness. I think Digibyte's real time to shine will be in price discovery. Y'all know that too. Digibyte moves with ferocity of 1,000 dragons versus 1,000 suns. Same shit. HBAR is getting much attention these last days, man. Yeah, because, you know, HBAR finally got sexy and people want to talk about it now. Because people just wait for things to get sexy and safe. I'm being a little salty. But let's be for real, man. Like, what's up? Like, how come everyone just shows up when it's easy to predict? You know, like, look, Hedera. Sitting high. Yeah, it's in what, 29 cents? Okay, so this thing used to be like 3-4 cents like half a year ago. Not even. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's all kind of relative, guys. Performance, price action is all relative to you. If you buy HBAR and you say this thing only has gone down, it sucks. You're telling the world you bought at a high. If you bought at any decent point on HBAR below this, you ain't tripping. Or if you have realistic expectations, you ain't tripping. HBAR has been deserving of its attention this whole entire time. Just now, people think it's all safe to come on in and talk about it. I don't remember them being down here at 2 cents. At least most of them, by the way. Just like my man Crypto Secret Circle was talking about Matic at 2 cents. There wasn't a lot of people talking about Matic, but now there's a lot of people talking about Matic. Funny how that works, isn't it? Let's see, 54 people. History repeats. It tends to. Doesn't always, but it tends to. Cosmos is very cheap right now. I mean, guys, StoFlow, I think you've seen my Crypto Cedo combo. Yeah. Crypto Cedo likes Cosmos. Crypto Secret Circle, I talked to him. He likes Cosmos. Cosmos has partnerships with the Chinese national blockchain system. Whoa there. I'll pick some up. What is that now? Adam. $20. I mean, it's not bad. And yeah, it went down, guys, but like, look, it's still in this like pattern, right? It's like a it's grinding sideways kind of thing. Slightly up, but we'll have to see. We'll have to see. Like, this doesn't always mean immediate death for every single coin. You got to go look. Don't just listen. Go out on the internets. Y'all got the internets. Pull up the coin market caps. Come on. There you go. And look. And see if all this drama is actually true or people just kind of tripping out. Because people like to trip out here. I've been noticing. You seen this one? Icon is cheap right now. Well undervalued. Damn, yeah. That's another one I got into before this. Damn it. But I was using it to mine on their balance network. It's like their first DeFi platform that they have out there. I just needed to get in for the rewards. But yeah, it's sitting at 1.8 cents. It's not much of a difference from what we've seen before. Icon and Wanchain seem to run together. That's what I've noticed so far. So hey, I mean, why wouldn't I want to have exposure to like a South Korean blockchain, guys? South Korea damn near carried the 2017 bull run by themselves. So, and if this thing has ties to the South Korean government, can get kind of frothy, but that's kind of speculation. Not financial advice. Bro, I think Elon is playing 4D chess to get the price lower for his friends. Oh, there. I can't stop. Bingo. That hurt my mouth. That's what I'm saying, Crypto Secret Circle. That's what I'm saying. He's saying to his friends, guys, behind closed doors, he's telling you guys Bitcoin's the truth. Go buy Bitcoin. And behind closed doors, he's turned to his friends and saying, hey, Jack, Bill, come over here. Look, you know how I bought that Bitcoin? Shit's going up, bro. It's going up a lot. My board loves it. They want me to get more, but they don't like the price. And I know you guys need some more Bitcoins, right? What if I tweet over here and these dudes are gonna sell all their shit, and y'all could pick it up, and I'm gonna pick some more up. And these guys are really smart, right? They're smarter than the average bear, you would say. Yeah. Come on, guys. Come on. They're billionaires. This is an unregulated market. I agree, Crypto Secret Circle. I think he's loading the boat. 52 people. What's up? Guys, I think Brave is going to be huge. The 2.0 roadmap is comprehensive. Brave is going to bring DeFi to everyone, multi-chain support. Yeah, but beyond that, Chris, I agree with you. Brave, I think, is going to be big. But beyond that, it's pretty revolutionary to the whole advertisement game in general. It kind of takes out the middleman completely. And you can push advertisements via the browser. That's huge. Because last time I checked, there's a whole bunch of money in advertisement, you know? So like Brave is going to be big on multiple fronts. I'm not quite sure what you're talking about bringing DeFi to everybody, but the mere fact that people could monetize their attention, whoa. If you live in a low cost of living area, do you know what that means? You damn near live off looking at ads. I like it a lot. What do you think will hit? I've been holding back for a while now. Yeah, me too. But doesn't matter, man. Like, unless you bought it. I just got my stuff by looking at the ads. Of course, he's only involved in crypto to serve himself and his cronies. Yeah, but guys, come on. Let's be real. Most people are in crypto to serve themselves. I'm not going to hold that to Elon. He's working in his best interest. This is what capitalism is. Welcome. This is investing. We're all working to suit ourselves. I'm working to suit myself. You guys are working to suit yourself, so your lives turn out better. I just don't go and dump the price. That's the difference. But it is sad, guys. So many people just follow this dude off a, I guess you would say, a mountain or a cliff. Yeah. Just what's he tweet now? Oh, Elon said this: buy, sell. No one's ever cheated their way to being rich. No. So if you're looking for quick, repeatable gains by following this one dude, chances are, I don't know, a lot of people got rich doing that. I know some people who made some money doing that a couple times, but the people who make a lot of money think for themselves. It's a dying art these days, guys. This is a great buy opportunity, end of analysis. Pretty much. I mean, look, guys, it really comes down to this. We can get all kinds of in the weeds with the analysis and all that, but are you bullish or bearish crypto? Let's be real up front right now. Are you bullish or bearish crypto? It's an easy question. I'm bullish. Y'all know where I stand. Where do you? Are you bearish? Are you bullish for the week? Are you bullish for the green candles? Do you change your mind every single time you wake up? Let's talk about it. Because to be involved in an asset, you got to be sold on the asset. Like I always say. And that's why I say do the fundamental research. Hey, this is not a popular channel because I say shit like this. But it's true. Some people like to change like the wind. Bullish here, bearish there, get in here, get out here, trying to avoid all the pain. Sorry, that's not how investing works. Let's see. Yeah, FNX got wrecked. We looked at that. Wrecked and a half. Dang, you need to travel, buddy. Yeah, I need to. I've just been working the last 10 years. Saving up money to invest in crypto. Dog, I haven't gone on vacation. Like 5 years. Is that weird? I don't think so. I'm grinding. It's actually my hip that gets wrecked on the couch. Ain't never heard your perspective on Cardano. Yeah, I mean, I like Cardano. It's pretty safe bet. ADA. It's a blue chip coin, right? Cardano's looking bullish as hell. It barely dipped. I mean, it could dip down to what? $1.76? Okay. But that don't mean nothing to me because I picked mine up at 14.10 cents. It's all relative. That's why I say buy low to sell high. It's stress-free almost. The only losses you lose are portfolio losses. It's not realized losses. In fact, you almost never get close. If you buy at the good parts, you almost never get close to losing capital. But ADA, it's good. ETH alternative, anything that's ETH alternative right now with the ETH suffering, it's like gas dilemma. It's ongoing gas dilemma is good. IOHK behind this, not investment arm, but development arm out of Hong Kong. They were working or trying to work with Ethereum Classic. Also ran BTC involved with them. What's not like to like about Cardano? I mean, besides Moon Boys fighting Moon Boys, what's not like to like about it? You can easily spend $2K in Thailand in 2 weeks of traveling and live pretty good. Yeah, Thailand's a good one, man. Oh yeah, dominance, my bad. Can you discuss Bitcoin dominance and what it signals? Yeah, hold up. I have other charts too, I forgot. So check it out, guys. Bitcoin dominance dropped like a tank or tanked. I don't know. That was lame. Okay, it dropped about 33%. Over how long was this? It's always good to see how long things took, guys, just so you can get a understanding. Over almost 2 months. Okay. So we're probably gonna do some bouncing on Bitcoin dominance now, right? Well, DubDigital, why the hell is this thing bouncing? Because guys, you start looking at the past history on this chart. There's like a resistance point right here and pretty much a lot of grinding all the way down. Therefore, we're probably going to get some kind of dominance bouncing, maybe a big bounce up and a continued drop, maybe a grinding down, something like this right here. All we know is historically there's been resistance right here. And if this line becomes green, actually put the weekly. Yeah, you can see that green developing right there. That means money's flowing into Bitcoin. Well, DubDigital, why the hell would money flow into Bitcoin? Because crypto in general is going down, even Bitcoin. And what is Bitcoin called? The digital gold. What do people do in times of war and uncertainty in the traditional economy? When things go crazy, gold goes up. When war breaks out, gold goes up. Same thing with Bitcoin. It's acting like a safe haven asset. The digital gold, right? So everything's tanking. People know what's going on. Oh my God, my alts are going down like crazy. Let me just jump into Bitcoin because I don't know, I'm scared. You see that happening right here. And it's funny that this bounce is happening right around this. I guess it's support now, right? But you know, it's funny, right? That these bounces and these things happen around key points of geography. DubDigital, what are you saying? That geography like predicts events that play out in the world? I don't know about all that. But all I know is kind of strikingly weird that these things correspond. No, I can't think of words today, guys. It's kind of like connected in a way, right? Like right when you hit this point of like support, we get a bounce, and there's a reason fundamentally for the bounce because everything's selling off because Bitcoin. Elon tweeted. When you start to really study charting, you realize that there's something. I don't know. It kind of like foretells things that before they happen, and that's kind of like esoteric and stuff. I get it. I get it. But come on, guys. Like some charting is esoteric. There's chart strategies that use. I think it's harmonic trading. Yeah, it uses like sacred geometry and all that. Is that weird? 48 people doesn't think so. But yeah, guys, it's falling down. You might get a bounce up. That means Bitcoin will gain in purchasing power against altcoins. But y'all know what I think is going to happen ultimately. I think we're going to go test now is 36, and then we're going to go through. But later on the year. That's what dominance tells me. We've had a good drop. A lot of you hopefully made a lot of money. And hopefully some of you took profits. Take profits along the way. You're not going to see me sitting up here saying take profits here and there because I ain't a financial advisor. You know? I'm not that dude. But you should set ROI targets up front and track your ROI. So you can look at your position like, I'm up 8x, dog. I'm going to pull something. I'm going to pull my money off the table. I'm up 20x. Okay, I'm going to pull a third. Like, if you guys don't know what you're up and if you're down or whatever, you're not going to execute, at least not in the time you need to. What's up, guys? That was the Dom. What's up, LXT? Okay, guys, I'll do a little bit of these because I didn't do the Sunday. I get it. I get it. I know. I suck. Let's see. 53 cents. Interesting. So, guys, OXT, this all-time high right here set at, what is this? 50, I can't get it. 70 cents. This is a bear. It's tried to break out once, declined twice, 3 times. This 70-cent level is a bear for it to get across. But guys, look, like just notice, it's rising up. This is an accumulation pattern, a W. We see some like bull shape action happening right here on the volume, not too much, but some, indicating that people are actually buying this. Okay, that would make sense why the slope of the bottom trend line is overall up. People are, well, buying it. Are we delayed somewhat? Yeah, we're delayed. Obviously, the whole market's freaking delayed. Bitcoin's delayed. But just notice, you want to see an increase in this volume popping through. We see a little bit now. You got to let some more time play out. But tell me something. Why would you drop OXT? Well, depending on, I don't know when you guys got in. I'll rephrase that. Why would you doubt OXT? What they getting technology awards? You got freaking Snowden and Zuko Wilcox, founder of the Electric Coin Company, developers of Zcash, talking all up at their private summit. I don't understand. It's still the product we think it is. That's why I do the FA and the TA. When the TA is chaotic and tripping you out, remember what you've learned. Remember what you've read. Remember what these projects are. It's not just all Moon Boys, what they're willing to sell to each other. They're actual breakthroughs in technology. That's what you're investing in. Right? Right, guys? Unless you guys don't like your investments. You only like them when they go up. I don't know. Am I being a little edgy today, guys? Sometimes I gotta bring that intensity. CryptoCito, what's up, man? How you been? Good to see you. You guys don't know, go follow CryptoCito. Very, very, very in-depth and in the weeds on HBAR and also the Cosmos ecosystem. I actually learned a lot about the Cosmos ecosystem from him and also Crypto Secret Circle. But welcome, man. Glad to have you. Hedera Hashgraph, HBAR co-owner, Google gets SpaceX contract for cloud computing. SpaceX contract for cloud computing? Really? But okay, so I used to work in this world with like government contracting for like competitors to SpaceX, right? Like 2 of them. And who was the contract with? It's the NASA contract, right? That you're referring to? Because there's always like a government agency behind these contracts. They subcontract out to other like vendors and stuff. So Google got the main, we call it the prime contract. Got the prime contract, subcontract to SpaceX. And you're alluding that Google is going to be using HBAR for that. I mean, you know, that's a stretch. We got to see. But it would make sense knowing that HBAR has supposedly been selected for some request for proposals or a proposal they submitted to NASA. Again, I've dealt with those heavily. So it'd be interesting. I just don't understand the whole prime relationship because usually the government gives prime contracts to space companies, you know? OXC is a solid project with a bright future. Yeah, Ray Love, I agree. All the right people talking about that thing. Expect the best from cryptocurrencies, but prepare for the worst. Always, man. That's everything in life. You know, ain't nothing guaranteed. We could all die tomorrow. So there's nothing guaranteed, especially in crypto. But the good thing is crypto's volatile. They go up and they go down. You just have to be prepared to weather that storm. If you can weather the bad times, there's probably money there for you at the end of the rainbow for crypto. Just you got to get through that choppy water. Can you get through the choppy water? That's where the portfolio balance isn't always everything. Do you have enough on the side, reserves on the side, to wait out a storm? Hey. But I'm just talking. No leverage since March. Only spot for me now. Tired of cracking the Binance liquidation shit. Yeah, man. Hey, why the leverage? What you need 100x leverage for? What you need 20x leverage for when crypto already goes up 100 times? It's a serious question, guys. Just gotta ask. How much is enough? What's up, man? What's up, my favorite crypto star? What's good, man? My mouth's all jacked up. Well, up for a risk analysis piece and more investment mindset. Yeah, man. So like I used to my corporate job, I used to do risk analysis for like certain things. It's not necessarily exactly this, but the method stands true. Risk is real. Companies, blue chip companies, serious investment firms, family offices get risk profiles done to analyze crypto, like not crypto but projects, investments. We can do the same thing here. I like it. That's a little flavor. It's a little flavor I could throw up on there. I might do it. How do we do it though? How do we do it? You gotta just like show me projects and I think of like potential risks and then I'll like present it. I don't know. I like OXT Orchid. VPN works. Does. And it's decentralized. I'm buying it at 38K and lower. What's Bitcoin at right now? Oh, it's almost time, bro. 43.70. What the? I don't know. I said that wrong. 43.7K. Damn, I can't talk today, guys. I can't talk. I got Crypto Secret Circle on here. I got freaking Script Skynet on here. I got Crypto Ceto on here. I can't talk. Just my luck. Let's see. Yeah. I just talked about OXT. Hopefully that was cool, man. Yep, you called me right. LOL, but he didn't get me. I have 100 shares of Tesla. I'm gonna dump. LOL. Hey, I heard Tesla's actually having people call in and cancel their Tesla car orders because of this. Elon should know, bro. Like crypto, like online is no chill. Crypto people will come after you in every way they know can. We're spiteful suckers. Man wants to colonize Mars and we haven't even been back to the moon yet. Yeah, that's weird. Imagine working at a space company trying to ask them why haven't we been back to the moon so long and they don't have an answer. They tell me some bullshit. I was like, whatever. Can we talk about white cost structure of these current market price action? My thought is we're at first LPSY and phase D. Heard fear at the moment, but this smooth hash ribbon indicates went off on BTC or bouncing. Hash ribbon. Oh. So I don't have your chart, man. I'd like to look at it. I don't got white cost structure for the. Are you talking about Bitcoin price? I don't know. Some guys sometimes it's hard to put all together when I'm reading a lot of comments. But I guess you're talking about Bitcoin. You think we're gonna bounce? I don't know, man. I'm not familiar with these acronyms. Sorry. Maybe I'm dumb. I feel dumb right now. Not that dumb, guys. Calm down. Didn't one of the Doge devs diss Musk? Called him a grifter? I mean, probably, man. Like, you guys got to remember, like, even they're a Doge dev. They're an old crypto, like, adopter. We think alike. Like, the money is secondary. It was more like a freedom play. It was more like a privacy play, an autonomy play. And we got a lot of people in here throwing their BT. We got a lot of rich people running up in here, buying more BTC than everyone because they're rich, just throwing their dick around. Will I get demonetized? I don't know. YouTube. I don't care what you do to me. Whatever, YouTube. I do care. Kind of. Not really. Let's see. Are you worried about Icon? No. I mean, we just looked at the chart, but why would you be worried about it? It's dipping low. What do you think is gonna die? Why would it die? See, this is the thing, guys. Like, when people seem overly scared to me, I'm not calling you scared, Eric. I'm just saying, like, in general, when people see overly like frightened or confused, I always meet them with the question, why? Why do you feel that way? Is it because it's scary? Yeah, I get it. It's scary. Every drop's scary. But why? You know, like if you could present to me good information why what I believe is contrary to what you believe, I'm not a proud dude. I would switch it in a heartbeat. But you got to give it to me, you know? ICX, yeah, it's $1.80 about. I picked mine up at what? 2 something. That's the way it goes sometimes, you know? Is it going to go back down to its all-time low? Probably not, because that thing set in a whole bunch of support on the way up, you know? But with anything, guys, people seem too scared. Ask them why. Don't just give me an opinion. Give me some rationale. And if you give me a good rationale, then I'll switch to your opinion. XRP is a banker's coin. Banker's no good. Yeah, listen up, but hey, I know a whole bunch of people that can use XRP money. You know what I'm saying? Like, I hear you. But at the end of the day, if your plan for that coin is to turn it into USD, what do you care? Why would I turn to USD? Because we got to live. We still got to play that game. You know, I look at everything as a tool. I don't demonize anything anymore. I used to. That was me last cycle. But I had 3 years to think through my wrongdoings. XRP, if I bought an XRP last cycle, I have a lot of money. A lot of money. So hey, it's all good. But I get it, man. It all depends when you got in. Again, if you're very, very like crypto OG, not a lot of people think like me in that situation. They have their coins. I understand. It was a different time. The same thing with like Doge, right? Like I always say, it's a cash grab. What the hell does it matter if it's a cash grab? You just got to know the risk you're assuming. I lost my EOS in a recent EOS vault hack. Really? Really? Which vault? Where? Got me scared and stuff. No, I don't got mine on a vault, but that'd be good to know, man. Let me know. Okay. I knew I'd have to address this at some point. Let me crack my knuckles. Let me stretch my face. Bitcoin mining is from dirty energy, but it is not the same energy used from Tesla cars. If the poor man lost the boat is lost. Tid. When the rich lost their boat, they pull the boat and get in. What? Ow. I can't do nothing. Ow. Honestly, man, though, like I don't really understand this. But Bitcoin, ow. Bitcoin is not like made from dirty energy. What the hell? Like, okay, guys, I talked about it on my Twitter. I had a whole bunch of HBAR people hating on me, trying to diss me and stuff. It's like HBAR. I thought we was cool. I thought we was friends. But it's not everybody. It's just a couple people. But I was just saying on my Twitter, I was saying this. I said, the whole point of POW, paraphrasing, is that it uses energy. Money derives its value from the use of energy because money is stored energy. How are you going to have stored energy without energy? And I know why HBAR came at me, because that's not the principle of their blockchain. Okay, well, one, I'm not a maxi. I'm not sitting over here saying Bitcoin is like the god. Nah, obviously I have a whole bunch of altcoins in my bag. But like, let's be real, guys. There's different use cases for cryptos, man. HBAR, let me just address it right here. Why do I think HBAR is valuable? Because it's pretty much making this tailored, very capable, highly performant system for large enterprises and companies like Google and Denton's and LG and a whole bunch of them. But is it a public blockchain? No. I think Hedera will ultimately connect up to public blockchains. All these things will work synergistically. And in that public blockchain realm, it would make sense for things to be worth energy, because it gives the public foundation value. Okay? The value HBAR derives is by servicing those private corporations that want a highly performant blockchain that doesn't use energy. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't have to be all one or one and all, but like Bitcoin using energy to be mined is needed. Just like it took energy to mine gold out of the ground and silver out of the ground. It was valuable because it was hard to obtain. Nothing in life worth having is free or easy. Money included. You know what I'm saying? So like with Bitcoin using too much energy, maybe, but a lot of the energy used is renewable. And even if it isn't, is the problem really Bitcoin, or is the problem humanity's, I guess, solution to deriving energy? Because why the hell are we still using fossil fuels to make electricity? That should have stopped like 100 years ago. You know what I'm saying? So like, I don't get the whole Bitcoin thing. But at the same time, Tesla uses fossil fuels to create energy as well. The same very reason that Bitcoin uses a lot of energy is the same reason Tesla, charging up their cars every day, uses a lot of energy. The production of electricity, the main production of electricity, is from fossil fuels still. That is the global warming thing. So you cannot attach global warming to Bitcoin without looking at Tesla. But people don't like to look at Tesla. They don't like to do that. They love to look at Bitcoin. Am I going to catch some hate for that? Yeah, I already have. I don't care. Sorry about it, guys. Tooth pain is the worst, bro. Praying for a speedy recovery. Thanks, man. It sucks. Eating's gross now. Eating on one side of my mouth? How do you even do that? I haven't been very successful. Thanks for breaking it down. Anytime, man. Anytime. You guys can't tell. This is not my first dump. I've been through a bear market dump. I've actually been through one. And it sucks more than this. Sucks way less than this. I freaking love Dub, dude. He honestly have such real, genuine perspective, bro. Dropping them truth bombs. Yo, check out. Fuck Elon. No, it ain't joking. Is it on CoinMarketCap? Not on CoinMarketCap, man. My bad. I appreciate it, man. Hey, I can only offer you guys my life experience. It's all I can really give you. You know, like take it or leave it. It's a resource. I'm new to crypto since this February. I'm 40 plus, been in silver bullion for years. I came to crypto to get away from the market manipulation. See, guys, like that's something that people who aren't involved in financial like markets don't really understand how manipulated markets actually are now. You know, like see people go, "Oh, you conspiracy theorists." It's like, okay, bro, you really haven't paid attention to charts, have you? Like the silver chart is by definition sketchy at best. You know, I just look at the things that haven't risen up that should have, and then I buy it. And then I go off the whole theory that good things happen to good assets. I don't care what people are not willing to pay for it. If it's a good asset, I believe in mean reversion. Something that's been held down probably going to rise at some point. But you got to remember, guys, why would they want to keep, and I say they, you know, reluctantly, because I never know who I'm talking about. But they, whether that's the plunge protection team, the Fed, whoever, the dude in not Wonderland. The hell is that? With the ruby red things? Oz. That bro in the box controlling shit in Oz. Like it's not him. You know, you gotta wonder, like, why are they holding it down? Why would they hold it down? Why would they spend so much money to hold it down? And I start realizing the only reason is because it hurts the legitimacy of the dollar. Ooh. Nuke just went off, huh? Yeah. Because if gold rose up in value, it would show you that the dollar has degraded to death. If silver rose up, it's going to show you the dollar is degrading to death. Look what happened to Bitcoin rising up. People are shoving their dollars out. Take my money, uncles. Like, take my money, Coinbase. Get me that Bitcoin. Because people drop the bad money for the good money 100% of the time. I forget what economic principle that's called, but it happens all the time. Bitcoin shows up, people throw dollars at it because they know Bitcoin's going up, the dollar's going down. If that happened to gold, people might start realizing, like, wait a minute, the dollar's a piece of shit. Oh, fucking man. When that Odyssey live stream, I don't know, man. When I get more followers on Odyssey, I got like 40 people on Odyssey. It's no chill, man. Hold up, 65 people? What? I feel blessed. Oh dang. I got more people on Odyssey though? No. Here, check it out. If you guys don't know, follow me on odyssey.com. It's all my videos get backed up on the blockchain. It's dope. I like it a lot. But if you get disconnected from YouTube for any reason at all, come find me on Odyssey. I could also live stream on Odyssey. I guess I'll start doing live streams like I guess you would say damn. What's the word? I can't even think today, guys. I'm gonna get like exclusive live streams going on here just to be like in some kind of incentive. But like, hey, there ain't no ads here. And you get paid in LBC, which is a crypto, for watching me. I get paid because you watch me. Bada bang. But most people aren't gonna do that. Most people aren't gonna leave YouTube. So YouTube will continue to be my main source, like my hub. But yeah, we can do that. If we make sure BTC are largest holding, we can't go wrong. That's how we do it. Yeah. See, guys, that's why I say to you, I don't know how long you guys have been with me. I made some older videos that were very, very useful that I know nobody saw because I had no exposure at all at that time. But I made like a video about like a strong portfolio, and I explain all the different percentages available from Bitcoin compared to alts, and like why you want to get in it, with the thought process, like what the strategy is being in that. And I talk about the 100% altcoin portfolio. I never really suggest it because you do get some kind of like bedrock and like stability from Bitcoin. That's why rich people like Bitcoin, because rich people aren't trying to go for mega gains. They just want to do some gains. They'd rather hold on to the money they already have because they're already freaking rich. You know what I'm saying? Stability is very important. And some of you who are 100% altcoins probably wish you had some Bitcoin right now, because Bitcoin dominance falls and it rises. When it's falling and you have 100% alts, that's great for you. But when Bitcoin dominance is rising and you just have alts, that really sucks. It's not about being 100% right. We're not freaking mind readers. We just like to have the tools necessary to get the job done. Poland is not sleeping. We are watching you. I love Poland. I ain't been there either. But y'all got some good sausages? Is it sausages? I don't know. Beer too. I ain't mad. I'll go to Poland too. I ain't proud. I'll go anywhere for some crypto and beer. After I get this fixed though, or healed, whatever. I gotta go back like in a week or two though. So that sucks. Okay, I did that thing where it took away stuff. Let me find it. Damn, it's already an hour and a half already? What the? My stuff's acting up a little bit. Can't be under super, super, super long. My bad, guys. SKL? But you guys doing okay? You guys okay? I had to come up on here. I said, babe, I can't. I got to go up on the YouTube. She's like, no, don't do it. Don't do it, DubDigital. I said, babe, you don't understand. I got to go help the crypto peeps. They need me. So my wife's going to be like, I told you not to go on there. And I'll be like, I know. What am I looking at? I'm talking too much, guys. Is it the painkillers? I don't know. I don't care anymore, man. Crypto's bleeding. My mouth's bleeding. Scale network. I mean, we looked at this one, I think last stream, right? Yeah, notice, guys, look, watch the lows. Don't let them fool you. Watch the lows. Telling you, I don't care how much this shit spikes up. Watch the lows. That's all filth learn, you know? If you guys have TradingView at all, go on TradingView and draw line to line to line. And that's going to show you if a bold pattern's forming out. That typically is accumulation. You guys can do this yourself. I don't cover all the coins you guys want me to look at like all the time. I try to do it through these streams, but I'm definitely not like charting them like you're used to in my regular videos. So that's why I say you guys need to be playing on charts. I don't care if you guys think you're dinking around. Start working on it. It don't matter. I start dinking around, doing little freaking lines, scrolling around. Look, babe, and she's like, "What the hell is that?" Oh, scale's looking okay, man. No worries. No worries. It's not looking like FNX. That's for damn sure. FNX looks like a piece of poop and a half. There we go. That's on point. Sucks what happened to FNX today. Someone changed the contract ownership, minted 300 million FNX, sent them to Uni, and Sushi swapped to ETH and WBTC. Wow. That's crazy. They're not going to get away with it, though. I don't know how they're going to pull that out without, like, triggering, right? Because they can identify those coins, especially do a rollback. They're probably going to do a rollback. But they did get the WBTC and stuff. Damn. They better put that in Monero with a quickness. Hey, bro, do you see any chance BTC to reach 30K? I bought some BTC at 43K. Just wondered if it could come lower and buy more. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you know. I think this thing's going lower. Like, we'll see. Hold up. So here's my idea, guys. That didn't play out. A fake. Look, I told you guys Bitcoin's full of fake outs, right? This is a whole big old fake out. Whoop, just kidding. Got people all like, oh, it's not going to do it. Bang. Played us. Played us hard, guys. How low can it go? I mean, this is 40,000. 30K is down here. That would be pretty epic. I don't expect it to come down here. Because if it comes down here, guys, then this is in the cards too. That's another 30% drop. But that would be kind of intense. I mean, I'm not going to put it past it. But let's see how it reacts. We got to keep looking at this Bitcoin chart. Probably going to catch some squiggling going on here. But at some point, guys, there's a whole bunch of people on the sideline. And this is why I guess you would say the psychology of a pump and like a bull market takes place. Everyone saw Bitcoin go from like damn near 20,000 to 60,000. If it comes back down to 30,000, you telling me no one's going to buy it up? You telling me there's no grandpa out there who hated on his kids buying Bitcoin way back when and never bought it and then saw it go to 60,000 bucks? You're telling me that grandpa didn't catch buyer's remorse? Or not buyer's remorse, but like not FOMO either. Yeah, he's gonna see like as the opportunity to get back in this thing. There's a lot of people like that right now who think they missed the boat. Well, it's coming back for them. Hey, even if the people who sold at the top don't get back in, I guarantee you there's people going to wait to step on in there and make some crypto gains because they're starting to get that attention now. In a bear market accumulation, it's just me and you. But now there's people who have no bags at all, and they're seeing that that was a bad idea. So we'll see. Let's watch it come down here. This is fair game. You got to be really, really worried, though, if it hits 30,000. You better hope it don't hit 30,000 because then, I mean, there ain't no support below it. But let's see how it reacts right here at 41 first. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. It's all about the chips, bro. I love chips. I love them. No, my wife loves chips. She be eating every freaking chip under the sun. Hot Cheetos, Lay's, Ruffles, all these chips. I say, babe, put the chips down, babe. And she just, shut up. Shut up. She does. Just kidding. She says, please shut up. Let's see. What do you think about the long-term potential of ZCN, especially considering the partnership with WanChain? See, I don't know too much about the project. I know more about WanChain. But damn, I don't know. I can't really talk on it. I know it does something. What is it's OChain, right? I know people like OChain a lot. I'm sleeping on it though. What's Ochain doing? They have a partnership with WAN. I know I saw something about that on like their WAN Chain's tweet, but I'm not too involved with it, man. Tell me about it. I don't know. Hold up. I flip all my Doge for 2 billion SHIB. Dang, man. I mean, SHIB might come down more. We looked at that chart, but hopefully it works out. Hopefully it works out. Oh, by the way, I flipped my Doge 7K into XRP. It feels good. Hey, guys, you know what I just remembered? Didn't I say these people in Doge were going to rotate their profits eventually? We just saw people in our own community talking about it. SHIB, XRP. What the? Like, come on. These people are in profits. Some of us aren't, but some of them are, and they're rotating. They're reinvesting in crypto. Because why would they stop when the money was so freaking good? See, that's the thing. Everyone says, I come into crypto, I'm going to pull my money and get out. Yeah, no, you ain't. You'll be back. That money just tastes too good. You holding your HBARs through the next cycle? Utility run? No. So, the HBAR guys are disagreeing with me. I get it. But, like, I think Bitcoin is a store of value during bear markets. No chart has showed me otherwise. Like, look, all you got to do is look at the Bitcoin dominance chart. No, hold up. Let me make it pretty clear. Let me make it pretty clear here. See that? See that long ass time right here? No, 2019. See that? That's Bitcoin dominance rising. 2018 to 19. That's the bear market. That means money was flowing into Bitcoin when compared to alts. Yeah, because it's the digital gold. Bear markets, everything tanks. People get scared. They run into the digital gold, Bitcoin. Until something shows me they run into Ethereum or HBAR, that's how I'm going to play it. But you know, so I'm going to transition most of my alts into Bitcoin. If I'm going to take anything in the bear market, it's going to be Bitcoin. I learned my lesson. I carried alts all the way through last cycle's bear market, and you know how that went? It went freaking shittily. That's how it went. We need a war? Nah, we don't need a war, man. People don't need to fight no more, man. They just need J's. Smoke a J, man. It's all good. It's not that serious. LOL. Gold, only 1,800. All-time high, only like 2,600. Barbaric relic. Barbarous what relic? That what the central bank said, right? Was it Bernanke? Might have been Bernanke. Yeah, he said that. Hey, gold's 800 right now? That's sick. Bitcoin versus Bitcoin Cash is a war. You guys like to think it's a war, but it don't gotta be, man. Chris, come on, man. You know, it's all good. Like, Bitcoin Cash, yeah, I get it. Idealistically, you guys are opposed to each other, but it's all crypto. I think we all would agree we like to have crypto versus the dollar. It's all crypto. I hold both. But that makes me a weirdo. That gets people get all mad at me on Twitter and stuff. I don't bend to the will. I don't bend the knee. This dude looked the DMT. I don't look DMT, but I know what it is. What? Adam Gold, you got some? Tell me about it. I think Vitalik Buterin is the sharpest tool in the shed. Therefore, I'm betting on his work right behind BTC. Oh, ETH? Yeah, man, Vitalik's smart dude, but he's got to figure out that gas fee. It don't matter how smart Vitalik is if it's making me spend $40 a transaction, bro. I did 2 ETH transactions today. That's $80. Thank God I got some ETH to pay for this shit. Because like, what the hell? You could be smart as hell. I don't give a damn. I like money more than people being smart. Hey, but I agree with you. I think they're gonna figure it out, but I'm gonna bitch about it. Flat Smack, what's up? How you doing? What's my opinion on Tron ecosystem? Yo, I never dabbled in Tron too much. I have a little bit. Someone threw me some. It seems like they're building. They're very quietly building. But I don't know too much about Tron ecosystem, man. Sorry, I saw something in the corner of my eye. Got someone sneaking up on me. Like, how'd you get in? How'd you get in here, man? I'm a little weird right now, guys. I've been taking painkillers. Like Paul Wall, tipping, the scissor. Yeah, you know, I don't have too much of an opinion on Tron. I'm not the guy to talk on it. I feel like I do it a disservice. I don't really understand it too much. Not that I don't want to, it just I haven't taken the time to. Anyone pro on Tron? Let me know. I probably should learn more. Self-admittedly, there's some coins that I'm not like so deep in. It's because I can't. I only got like so much time in the day, you know? Hey, I missed you, Flat Smack. I missed you on Sunday. I couldn't talk too well yesterday, or at least for too long, because like what they did, guys, was like so my gums like receded a lot on one side. So they went in and they cut that shit out my fucking top of my mouth and they put it right here. So I got stitches and stuff. Like my face is kind of sewn shut. And talking a lot, at least yesterday, it's more bearable now. But talking a lot was like raw. It was like rubbing up on there. I was like, yeah, it's not just like a tooth thing. It's like a little more intense. Are you a soccer football fan? Yeah, man. Like my brother is more into that. I was like more the like wrestling, boxing, basketball dude. My brother is all up, like lives by soccer. Like wakes up at 5, 4, 3, all hours of the morning to watch soccer, like preview live in the UK and stuff. So I kind of live vicariously through him. But I used to play soccer. I used to be a goalie. Look. Yo, can we get some more likes for this, bro? Seriously, the best YouTube content on crypto, in my opinion. Hey, I appreciate it. You guys give me a like. That'd be cool. If you don't, whatever. Most people don't. Because I'd ask the hard questions, man. I push those buttons. See? When will alts go boom, boom, you think? So, obviously, we're having a rest period now. So, like, once Bitcoin finds a level, you know, ranges a little bit, people like they stop being shell shocked. Right now, people are like this. They're like, oh, you know, they're freaking out. Once it calms down a little bit, Bitcoin will level out, find its level. People will stop, like, you know, drinking their coffee like this. You know, like Bitcoin's going to rise up first. It's going to push up higher. The Bitcoin DOM's going to rise on the chart like we just saw. That's what I'm expecting. Then alts will follow just like it did. You know, when did that happen? I would say we'd probably have a couple weeks rest. You know, maybe a month. But I continue to say summer is typically good for altcoins. Now, in the last cycle, May timeframe, this was the month where like Litecoin went from $2 to $90. Like everything started pumping. Hey, if we're a month off, would you be mad? If we're 2, would you be mad? See, this is why everything isn't exactly the same, but it typically rhymes. It's similar. So, hey, we'll have to look, but I'll tell you what, if there's ever any kind of fundamental, I guess you'd say, change that occurs, just like Elon, what if he retracts his statement again? Why not? He retract his like Bitcoin buy so easy. He's like a basket case. Maybe he pushes people to feel good about crypto again. I'm not sure. All I do know is I doubt this is the end for the crypto bull run. We're just gonna have to wait, let it blow off some steam because it got a little frothy. But these things move in phases. They move in phases. I have a conspiracy theory about the centralized VPNs who are supposed to protect our privacy are actually tracking us and selling our info to the powers that be. Do you use a decentralized VPN yet? I don't personally. I'm like using like a not decentralized VPN. I don't know. I should. I just don't want to use my OXT to get a VPN because I like it as an investment. But I can't. I know it's already on my computer. I know, man. I know. I'm lazy sometimes. Y'all know that. I'm an island boy. I think you're cool, bro. Hey, appreciate it. At least that makes one person. Did Elon Musk know that BTC consumes energy? Oh, not know. Yeah, no way. No, there's exactly zero chance that he didn't know. Okay, guys. Everyone thinks Elon's a genius until he does something messed up, and then they want to give him all the benefit of the doubt. Like, oh, he didn't know. Bro, come on, bro. That dude has a bigger IQ than all of us wrapped together. And I know about Bitcoin mining, and you do. It's not your full-time excuse to make excuses for Mr. Elon. He's a grown-ass man with a lot of money. I don't feel bad for him. Let's see. You ain't dub. Wyckoff is a BTC seems to be playing out for the past few months since around December. We're on the leg down at the moment, but it ain't the end of the bull market in my opinion. Hash ribbons. Yeah, man. I mean, it's a very short, and I talked about it, if you guys are joining me, and it's a very short bull run if this is the end of the bull run. In fact, we've never had a bull run this short. Seems like is it an anomaly? Anomaly. Is it an fucking A, I guess. I'm gonna skip that. Is it like just by chance, guys? Is it this time different? Or is this just a correction? I don't know. But DubDigital, this was bigger than the last one. Yeah, they're all bigger than the last. That's the whole point of an exponential price pattern because it goes up higher, comes down, goes up higher, comes down, right? So by percentage, every pump is relatively the same, but the like actual numbers are greater and greater and greater. This asset continually growing year after year after year. I don't know. This seems like a very, very anemic top of the cycle to me. All right, guys, I'm kind of skimming right now. My bad. I'm not gonna hit everybody. My mouse starting to act up a little bit. These are small games that need Bitcoin to get them down so they can make more money. Do you think Elon didn't know the BTC consumes energy to mine? No, I don't think that at all, man. He knew. He knew. I'm not a stupid dude, and I'm not as smart as Elon, and I know. So am I a genius? I don't think so. At least like compared to Elon. I think he knows. He's not stupid. He's making a lot of money. A lot of money. Money you could only dream of. He knows. He's got to know. I'm holding all my bags until crypto space market hits 10 trillion. That's the plan at least. But what if it doesn't? It could. It might. It probably. I won't say probably, but it might. But it might not. You know, that's an all or nothing game, man. And like, at least get your money back at some point. That's why though, get that blockfolio, input your trades, know how much X's you're up, 2x, 3x, 10x, 30x, 100x, and then like when it's a big number, be like, okay, I'll take my money, and that's it. So at least you're playing with house money. It sucks to lose money you invested in, but if it was all free and it goes down to zero, do you care that much? Your life's exactly the same when you started this. It's when you lose money that really sucks. With the understanding I have now, I think they're letting the big money buy low while getting people on meme coins, I'm thinking. Yeah. You know what they call that in the military, guys? My dad was a captain in the Navy. It's called diversion. Yes, it's a tactic. It's strategy. Strategy of warfare, guys. Investing is a lot like warfare. We need people to do the opposite of what we do so we make money. Big money thinks the same way. And in fact, big money is more calculated than you and I are. I heard HBAR was just an email server. Is that true? What? Tony Rizzo, what you talking about? Who told you that? I don't think so. HBAR has like big companies investing in them running nodes, so I doubt that they would invest in something like that. Guys, think about it, right? That's why I tell you follow the money, follow the partners. You hear some crazy ass like rumor on a coin, right? Some dude on the internet, I don't know, maybe a 10-year-old, you don't know, tell you some stuff, right? And think about the partners. Google, Dens, LG, a whole bunch, whatever. Why would they invest and put resources and time? A Fortune 500 company put time in a project that just has an email server. You don't think they sent a head of engineering out there to check them out, read over their technology, vet it to see if it's possible and doable? I think you're underestimating big corporations. I work for a couple. Markets dumped because of taxes, but this year it was in May instead of April. I don't even think we are at halftime of this bull cycle, run, pump, bubble, whatever you want to call it. USD is still crashing. Flat smack. I'm proud. Proud, Flat smack. You're right. As I mean, tomorrow or today is the last season, like I guess the extension for taxes right in America. And people are pulling so they could pay their tax liability. I just got done with mine. You know what I'm saying? But above that, like USD is still crashing. I didn't want to do it. I'm gonna do it. You guys stuck around. You get the jewels. You get the jewels. I want to tell you, people who don't follow my streams don't get the jewels. I'm not sorry for them. Let's look. Let's look at DXY. DubDigital, what's DXY? I don't know what DXY is. You seen all this weird trading shit? I don't understand. DXY is the relative strength of US dollar compared to other fiat currencies like euro and the yen. I can't talk and type. Not bad, guys. Probably have ADD. Actually, I kind of do. A little bit. Let's see. So this is what he's referring to. The relative strength of the, what do you call it? Dollar. So guys, this is why I like to use the past to understand what happens in an investing landscape. Because it's not all crypto. There's a whole bunch of things in economies that affect everything. So for you to just put blinders on and not look at everything else, hey, you're going to get blind results. So look, starting in November of 1985, when this chart starts tracking this thing, to date, the dollar has dropped down 30%, meaning it's lost 1/3 of its purchasing power in one generation. Well, it's not even tummy days. It's too long. In one generation, guys. So if you had a savings account and you put, I don't know, money in that savings account and you want to pass that savings account down to your loved ones and your grandchildren or whatever over the years, in one of the generations, you've lost 30% of your purchasing power. Your family's purchasing power, 30%. Gone. Never coming back. Why? Inflation. Hey, I get it. A lot of people don't understand inflation. But look, get out of here. We can look at the dollar's movement, what it's done during times of crypto, and we could start piecing together the puzzle. 2017, the dollar crashed down about 12-13% over the course of about a year. This was 2017 bull run. So assets go up when the dollar goes down? Why is that? Because Assets are priced in dollars. If the dollar is worth less and less, it takes more and more to buy the asset. Get it? Then we had the bear market come through right about here. DXY started rising. The dollar got more valuable, could purchase more things with it. And if the dollar, the currency that the digital assets are denominated in, rises, it takes less and less dollars to buy them. Makes sense. That's why they got squashed by 95%. Now we're looking at this sucker, right? The XY dropped ever since, I guess roughly where I don't know, whatever. It dropped about 11%. Now it's grinding. It's still going down. It's still going down. It's gonna catch bounces like we saw here, But ultimately speaking, I expect the dollar to bleed down. Why would the dollar bleed down, guys? Because they're printing. What do you guys think happens when you print stimulus? What do you think happens when you do like rent moratoriums and you're covering mortgages? You gotta print money. That erodes the purchasing power of your dollar. The dollar goes down in purchasing power. Crypto rises in dollars because it takes more dollars to buy crypto. See how this goes? So what Flatsmack's talking about here is a little bit of macro investing wrapped up in here for you guys. The overall trajectory of the dollar is down unless something very, very significant happens to the dollar. But it's not really looking that way because every single day central banks are printing more and more stimulus, more and more this in the name of saving the economy. But in the background, they're killing the currency. How you like that? I lost people. They don't like it. They can't handle it. Whatever. Do you think crypto's bleeding because of AMC? Nah. AMC has as much bearings as Doge has. Just people going wild. Whatever you want to call it. LOL. If I seen you and told you, if you told me this wasn't a bubble, I'd slap you and say, are you there yet? What? I mean, yeah, everything's a bubble, but hey, everyone wants to become this pro timer, trader, whatever. Fact of the matter is, man, as long as the dollar goes down, I'm going to be bullish on crypto. That's all I need to see. Dollar down, I'm buying crypto. Dollar down, I'm buying crypto. Until I think like we've topped out. I've seen these things before. I know some of you guys are coming from stocks. Hey, these are gigantic gains. I understand why you're saying this is the top. But this ain't stocks. This is a different asset class. Don't come up here trying to use the stock barometer. It's not going to work out too well because everything in crypto is exaggerated. It moves a lot like tech. I'm reading. Hold up, guys. What do you think? We in a bull market? In bull market? Yeah, Nick. I mean, I started this channel because I think we're in a bullish market. I wouldn't be out here doing this stuff if I didn't think we're gonna make money. Look at what year the market crashed, 2001. We all know what happened that year. Yeah, I don't understand the connection between this, though. What do you think about 100x coin? Could be the best shitcoin of the year. Yeah, guys, but like when it comes to big significant dumps, I'm looking for good projects tanking. Like good projects tanking. That's where I think the value plays at. Not necessarily good looking for meme coins too much. But I got it up. 100x coin. Hey, it might get people buying just because it's 100x. That's all it takes now, guys. That's all it takes. I don't know much. I don't think much of it, man, because it is a meme coin. You guys could try to maybe pick some up. It looks cheap as hell. Where do you buy it? Pancake Swap. How did I freaking know? And Probit. Probit's legit. It's deflationary. Yep, I've seen a whole bunch of the deflationary coins coming on to Pancake Swap. Just be careful, man. I've been caught up in a rug pull on Pancake Swap, and so have a lot of other people. I hear CryptoCito talking about it somewhat. So just be careful. But it looks interesting. Depending, I wouldn't throw a brick at this at all. But it could be like a lottery play. At best. At best. Okay, this is the first bubble in human history that will never burst. Hey, Tony, how long you been crypto? I'm curious. You sound new. Do you like Atom Cosmos? Yeah, I like it. It's good. Crypto Secret Circle and CryptoCito like it a lot. I respect their opinions greatly. Every coin that I've taken them up on so far has performed well. I jumped in because, hey, sometimes, guys, you just got to have a good network. The ideas in your head equate to the advice that you get. Good in, good out. Bad in, bad out. Who's in your network? Do you have one? Are you developing one? You're talking to like-minded people who are smart as well? Those are worth their weight in gold. I was being sarcastic in your reply stock comment. Hey, look, Tony, my bad. I kind of misinterpret that. I don't got a lot of like emoji or like facial expressions here, so sometimes I mistake stuff. So my bad. But I will say this. I used to be on that train, bro, about stocks crashing and all that. I thought that would happen 10 years ago, to be honest. I saw them doing QE. I was just like 20-something, like young 20-something, sitting in Starbucks reading the paper. I know, a weirdo. And I saw this QE stuff and I said, no way, because I had enough economic classes under my belt to know the ramifications of that and the destruction of the degradation of the currency. And I thought the stock market would crash next year, the year after that, and they kept it up. I'm starting to be of the opinion that they're going to keep the stock market up and just kill the dollar 100%. That way, it's like a lot of people don't understand inflation. Like, they don't get it. I try to explain it time after time, and they don't really grasp it. They're like, what do you mean, like, prices change? Like, not, like, if you have that level of misunderstanding in the economy, the Fed wants to be the least liable as possible. And everyone notices the stock market tanking because that kills everyone's pensions and everything. And we have an aging population now. So wouldn't it be easy out to just inflate everything, keeping the stock market up, paying people the pensions you say they'll pay them, without telling them that the dollars are worth the fraction of its former self? That seems like the path least resistance and the most politically acceptable way of letting the economy fall in an indirect, foreign way that most people don't know what's happening, except for those who study this stuff like me and you. Okay, we got the Dab Master. What's up, Dub? Hourglass. Glass could be a lottery ticket. King Degen himself. Let's see what he got for us, guys. It's got to be on CoinMarketCap, right, Dab? Am I spelling glass wrong? No. It's not coming up, man. My bad. Sorry, dude. I already got out of BTC at 51K. Cool, man. Where do I see OC going for years now? I don't do it like that, man. I believe in the 4-year cycle, meaning that there's a cycle. Each cycle begins with a correction, accumulation, correction, accumulation, then like ramping up, and then a blow off, right? So I think every blow off, I think we're in the year of the blow off. Then there's a bear market. So I don't think in this is going to be a linear rise in price. Everything in crypto seems to be exponential. So it's like Whew, like a J curve. We're used to linear price movement like stocks and equities. It's more stable. So try to shift your perspective in that way. This is not the stock market. It's not buy and hold. You need to capitalize when these things shoot up, make your money. But as far as OXT is concerned, it seems like a premier coin. I think it'll do very well this cycle. But this cycle may be the end of the year to maybe early next year, unless something very weird happens in the economy, like the dollar actually does die, and we have nothing to sell out into. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying. I've never been through a bear market, so I don't know, but sometimes I feel like holding the ISO compliant projects, XRP, HBAR, etc., until when the standard becomes fully implemented, which says 2023. Yeah, I'll just show you though, like what had happened. This is the Bitcoin dominance chart. Chart goes down, altcoins go up. Chart goes up, like money goes out of altcoins into Bitcoin. Okay, this is the bear market. This is what happened. All the money in alts got sucked out into Bitcoin, and a lot of money in Bitcoin left. So that means alts got crushed to death. Bitcoin got crushed less to death. The dollar rose in supremacy. Could something change this time around? Yes, it always can. But based on what we've seen, based on the last cycle, XRP got crushed too. What's the other one? HBAR wasn't around. But I don't know. We'll have to see. I'm expecting it'll get crushed. This is the dynamic I play myself off of. You know what I'm saying? So, right or wrong, time will tell. But hopefully they don't. I don't wish anything bad on anybody. I just want to bring this to the forefront so you guys can prepare for it if it does happen. I would be a bad, what the hell am I? Crypto person if I didn't prepare you for the unfavorable outcomes. It's called tough love. Still bullish on OXT? Yeah, I still hold my OXT. Look, like I know it's been lagging hard. I hold on my OXT. I entered at 25 cents right now. I'm still double up, but I'm still waiting for that big blow off. I ain't gonna abandon it until I get that big blow off. I've seen enough fundamentals to make me convinced this is a good asset. It's on Coinbase. Coinbase usually picks up good assets. Like, if you don't park profits in stablecoin, where do you put them? BTC, ETH, others? Okay, guys. So basically, like, I do keep stablecoins, but one for like a dip buying bag, right on the side. But also then I have like my expenses lined up for like living and stuff. Make sure that's topped up for a certain amount of time. So like, you guys do stuff and make mistakes in trading when you don't have enough to eat. You don't got enough. You got to make sure that you're taken care of first. That's you first, because it lets you be more risky. It lets you be stronger within yourself and your convictions. But if I'm looking past that and all my stablecoin stuff's topped up, then I'm pulling in BTC. Why? Because it typically has like a inverse correlation to alts in a way. Not 100%, but you know what I'm saying. I want that divergence of value at some point. I don't want everything that moves up and down like this, because I make money when I trade relative value, right? That's why I got Matic running up. I pull some, I put it in something here. It runs up. Like, I always want something moving up and things down. I want that separation in value. BTC offers me that. Now, if you're more bullish on ETH, then maybe you pull profits in ETH and just keep piling up on your ETH bag. But I like the BTC because I'm risky in my alts already. Most of my portfolio is in alts. I would rather get less risky as time goes on in the bull run, right? Because at the very start of the bull run is when, statistically speaking, you should be the most risky, because you have the most time to like iron out those mistakes if you have them. But as time goes on, that gets less and less and less forgiving until you get to the bear market and there's no forgiving. Done. Whatever happened, happened, right? So that's my thoughts, man. Gold. Hey, that's another one too. You guys could always diversify into gold. Go check out Bullion Star. I'll actually show you guys. Why not? 2 hours already? This ain't a short stream. What the hell? I always say that, huh? Okay, I'm gonna show you guys this. DubDigital, what do I do with my crypto after I make my money? Like, where do I put it? Like, you could put it many places. But this is Bullion Star. I have not used it yet, but very interesting. Do your own research before you use this, but it looks pretty promising. I see David Morgan, the silver guru, do interviews with them. I've seen a bunch of like famous investors talking to them. So if anyone is in Singapore, can you verify this? Because I'm not in Singapore. I love to get like my research before I use stuff. But with that said, they do accept crypto. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. You can buy. There's a Pant Bar. That's a good refinery. You can buy gold, silver bullion, platinum, all that stuff. Their vault is in Singapore, which is one of the most, I guess you would say, financially liberated areas, kind of like an Asian Switzerland, right? So like, I know some people like, I buy physical. I like to keep it custody on me at all times, so there's no counterparty risk. I get it. But if you're looking as a way to easily transfer crypto into precious metals, you can use this one. Hell, AppMex. AppMex, huge gold silver broker. They take crypto. Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, USDC, and BUSD. Dang, you could almost buy gold and silver, which is in the family of hard money crypto. With crypto? Whoa. Hey, just saying. Some of you don't like it. It's cool. Do your research before you use any of these services. I don't want to be liable for that. Not financial advice. But hey, sometimes you got to be outside the box. Because there's also a Bitcoin to gold ratio. You guys know that? Maybe we should go over that one day. Bitcoin to gold ratio. Yup. Dang, man, I wasn't expecting to be live still. Yeah, man. I'm in it for the team, man. Down for the team. I'm with you. I want to get profits and get land first. The project's running. Appear to be. Yeah. That's another one, too. Gold, land. Hey. I'm all about diversifying. Hey, Dub, do you think hype for ETH2 will help extend the bull run to 2022? Not financial advice, of course. No. I think ETH2 might propel the blow off. You know, but fuck. My bad. Yeah, I think it'll postpone the blow off. Not postpone, but like kick off the blow off. I'm not going to think the cycles are changing. I mean, that's why I'm holding some crypto. Like, even into the bull run, because I might be wrong. If it extends and it goes up higher and higher, then hell, I still have my crypto. You know, but I don't think it's smart to plan on an anomaly happening. No kind of financial forecasting I know of in the white collar world ever does that. We don't plan for something to be different. We always plan that it's going to be similar and like pad our numbers to account for it. It's called margin. You know, there might be some margin at the end, give or take a couple months or a quarter. But nah, I'm not going to plan for it. I believe in this though. Nations are going to do whatever they want. There's not going to be one standard of currencies that all countries use. Never happened, never will. Good point, Tony Rizzo. Yeah. I mean, just look at the United States, early United States. There was money for like every single state or county. I mean, yeah, guys, like the whole notion of a one coin to rule them all. Why? Just because you guys think it should? But why? You know? Unless you're really on that whole evil cabal, one world currency tip, I tend to think it's going to be more interoperable. There was no multi-wallets to hodl your coins back in the day. You kept them on exchanges and got wrecked. Yeah, guys, like, crypto is ruthless. Crypto Junkie knows. He's been around a long time. Crypto's ruthless. This is the way it goes. Crypto takes people's life savings every single cycle. People commit suicide every single cycle. People get wrecked every single cycle. So I say, hardware wallet, practice good security measures, don't take extreme risk, because to some people out here, it is that serious. Oh, it's so serious, you know? Printing does not cause inflation. Velocity of money does. If you hoard printed cash and you don't buy anything, supply and demand won't allow for inflation. Did you learn that in school? Well, yeah, I mean, for sure. There's two things, but we've already printed, right? This whole thing, this whole lockdown in the economy, this is unprecedented. It has slowed velocity of money to a slowdown, like a standstill. He's right. They're printing stuff. They're giving people stimulus. They're not really moving the money around. But look, people are starting to open up, at least in the US and some other countries, or not even masks are needed or social distancing, meaning economic activity will eventually continue as it used to. Maybe not as much as it used to, but it will increase. And once it increases, that's the second piece of the pie for price inflation. Velocity of money. Money starts changing hands. Now there's more money in general, and people are trading back and forth, bidding for the same amount of goods and services. Yeah, Tony Rizzo, I know about that. Right? So like back in the day in 2008, you never really saw a lot of consumer price inflation because most of the money was given to the banks. And now those banks would loan that money out to investors and entrepreneurs and real estate developers to buy houses or whatever. You see the price of housing going up. You see the prices of things that investors buy going up. Why? Because investors had money, access to that capital. But now we got the stimulus out here. Everyone and their mom got money. Meaning, not only are people going to be using that money to buy houses and whatever like investors do, they're going to be using it to buy milk and eggs. That's what's coming. That's what's coming. Tony Rizzo, you're right. There's two sides of the coin. And no, I didn't learn that in school. I learned that through books. Let's see. Have you talked about the FNX hack? When swap going down? Question mark. Yeah, when swap's back up. I just used it. But FNX, yeah, that hack, that sucked. We talked about it. I'll just show you the. I'm curious, what is this thing now? It's going up a little bit. RIP FNX. The Telegram group actually said don't buy this thing. I bought some, then I sold it back. I didn't take a loss. And sounds like they might do a rollback. This is crazy. This is lower than it's ever been. I was like gonna buy it, but then I saw the Telegram group and said they might be planning something. Let me get out of here. Okay. Theo Ken says rip. All right, guys, 2 hours, 18 minutes. My bad for not being available on Sunday, but we're going to start back up this coming weekend. I obviously can talk for a while, even though I can't be like all animated and stuff. But hopefully you guys are doing okay. Just want to come on here because I know some people be tripping. I know you guys be hearing some stuff from new people in crypto who ain't never been in crypto before. Look, crypto, it moves in ebbs and flows in cycles. Goes up, goes down. Nothing ever goes up in a straight line. Anyone telling you that? They're not doing you a service. This is how it goes. It's normal. It's natural. We'll see where Bitcoin comes down. But whatever you guys did or didn't do this leg up, just honestly, like, grade yourself at how you performed. Did I pull profits at all? Maybe next time I might want to pull some profits because these things do go down like they said they would. You know, if you pulled too much, it's like, I don't know. Just analyze how you performed and be real with yourself. Then look back and like, what am I going to do better next time? And then you get better and better and better and better. And then you start your own YouTube channel. But until next time, guys, talk to you later. Peace.